long Rust-Oleum Trim and Bumper paint review. Does Rust-Oleum Trim and Bumper paint work? Here's our test subject right here. We got a 2008 Jeep right here. Severe fading on the trim and the bumpers. Perfect candidate. We're going to spice it up. We're going to darken this up. We're going to make it better. Give us a better chance to make a sale. Right there, it needs some attention. So this is the Rust-Oleum Trim and Bumper paint. Is this a special formula, or is it just like all their other paint? I don't know. It could be a gimmick. Mark that price up, but we're going to put this daddy on the lift, this Jeep Rubicon on the lift. We're going to take off these trim pieces. We're going to prep them. We're going to paint them. It's going to be exciting. You can see, got one right there. We've got extra parts just for this experiment, just for the experiment right here, guys. Isn't that exciting? Isn't this great? Isn't it super great? Go ahead here. I'm going to show you my technique. Nice and windy outside, not making the task any easier. So if we get great results against the elements, well, that would really show well for the Rust-Oleum Trim and Bumper paint. Look at the after right here. Dark. Look how dark the trim and bumper pieces are. This is going to be a hot sell now. It's black. It's so black, I suspect it would loot your local mom and pop store. That's right, we're talking black. It looks great. This thing looks years newer, as it should, because it's so low mileage. Is the Rust-Oleum Trim and Bumper paint a good product? I say it is. What do you say? Leave a comment, let us know. Yeah, this is 2 thumbs up.